Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my chill wave blanket. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, how to work in the back loops, and be familiar with the textured wave stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 4. I have made 156 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Then make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Make 1 triple crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So that's 1 triple crochet and a second one. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So that's 1 double crochet and then 1 double crochet. So that's how everything's looking so far. We have the 2 double crochet over here, 2 triple crochet, and then 2 double crochet. Into each of the next 2 chains, make a single crochet. So that's 1 single crochet, and then a second single crochet. Now into each of the next 2 chains, make 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet into this one, and then 1 double crochet into this one. And that is our sequence. You would start repeating from these triple crochet. So it's going to be 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet, and then repeating from the triple crochet. You would now repeat this sequence until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. For this row, we're going to be working into the back loops of each stitch. So turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches. This loop at the back of each stitch, the loop farthest away from you, is going to be the back loop. So we're going to work the same sequence as we did in row 1, working into these stitches only using the back loops. So we're skipping the first stitch. Into the next one, make a double crochet only using that back loop. Into each of the next 2 stitches, you're going to make a triple crochet stitch using that back loop. There's 1 and 2. Into each of the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet. So there's 1 and 2. Into each of the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. So there's 1 single crochet. All of these are worked in the back loop. And there's 2. Into each of the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet using those back loops. There's 1 and 2. So you can see how everything is looking. All double crochet stitches should be lined up on previous double crochet stitches. Triple crochet is going to go on top of singles. These are doubles, so doubles on doubles. Singles are going to be on top of triples. And then on the next row, it's going to be the opposite of that. So we have triples right here. The next row are going to be singles on top. This right here is triple and then single. Next is going to be triple on top. The double crochets stack on doubles. And then these 2 are the ones that change each row. But the sequence is going to stay the same. So right now, the sequence would be repeating this 2 triple crochet, 2 double, 2 single, 2 double, and then you would start repeating from these triples right here. So you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my Afghan is looking. I ended up making 80 rows for a throw-sized blanket. I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for my blankets. And that is going to be how to make my chill wave blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.